but no one listened.
Is it like in your locker?
No, it's back at the house.
Oh,
that's fine.
Now, you need to turn.
I would get out on the ladder and step on it.
Yeah, that's
That was pretty close.
That was not cool.
That's actually generally rude. Okay.
Wait, grab where you're gonna
Get away from the motor. Get on. Do it on the side.
Just jump.
Instead of when you fall on the engine.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to grab your.
Oh yeah.
That's fine.
And jump.
There you go.
Like this? Okay, we need to balance
Here.
out where we're grabbing.
Here, you can grab whatever you want.
Okay, now pull up a
Like
little,
this.
Lars.
All right.
This is good.
Kim.
How's Serena
It's
still?
gonna make us fall.
It's rolling.
No, I think I've got more control of
Yeah,
this.
all you guys just point.
Really?
That's all.
Okay.
No,
You
'cause I'm
wanna
on
make-
You might
top.
want to put your hand around so it'll drop in water.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the back then.
Okay, all right.
I'm
Whatever
gonna
you
try it.
want. Huh? You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Go ahead and Lars, you start up.
Yeah.
Okay, pull up. Quickly, because the rought's
Cam,
going
I
to the
know.
engine. No, you're not
Good.
listening.
Everybody hold still. Here we go.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Don't do it.
Not a problem.
You're a problem.
Okay, go and let go.
You watch your front.
Yeah, I
Watch
am.
them.
I am.
I think I'm watching them pretty good.
Okay, hold on.
Hold on!
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh. Gotta go.